One of the easiest and most profitable ways to make money online is by selling ebooks. And the beauty of ebooks is that they can bring in passive income while still offering real value to your readers. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I turned my skills into a money-making ebook side hustle. No fancy website, no massive audience, just free tools and a lot of hustle. I'll guide you through how to find viral topics using AI, design your ebook in less than 30 minutes and sell it, even if you're starting from scratch. It's going to be a step-by-step breakdown, okay? So here's what you'll learn. 1. How to find profitable ebook ideas. 2. Create an ebook quickly with AI tools. 3. Format, design, and publish your ebook. 4. Monetization. 5. Promote your ebook, even if you're starting with 0 followers. Now, there are so many reasons why you might want to create an ebook. For some, it's all about generating passive income. Others want to share their expertise and build authority in their niche. For example, writing an ebook on, let's say, how to start an online food business. You know, this can help you position yourself as a trusted expert, right? And trust me, becoming an authority can open up opportunities like paid speaking gigs, consulting, or brand partnerships, right? But one of the biggest perks is that ebooks are amazing for audience growth. They can serve as lead magnets that attract people to your brand, be it affiliate products, affiliate offers, okay? Now, whatever your reason for creating an ebook, you'll definitely find this guide super helpful. So moving on is how to find a profitable niche for your ebook. And of course, you can use AI for this too. But first, if this is your first time creating an ebook, I want you to think about these questions. What problem have I solved? What skills or experiences do I have? It could be anything from cooking to AI, gardening, fitness, business, you name it. Once you have pinpointed your expertise, it's time to find a profitable ebook topic. Now, to make this super easy, we'll use a tool called Deepseek AI. It's one of the newest AI on the block, and it's got some incredible capabilities. Here's how we'll use it. And our prompt will be, please suggest 10 highly searched how-to guides in your niche. For example, if your niche is urban gardening, you'll input that in the bracket, and Deepseek AI will generate some specific high-demand topics for you. So I would suggest you write in evergreen niche. Like urban gardening, it is an evergreen niche within the home and garden space, okay? And it can really bring in a lot of income if you're promoting the right affiliate offers. By using your ebook as a lead magnet and promoting something like these ClickBank offers, you could be making a decent amount monthly just on the side. Honestly, for me, that's a big deal. But for this tutorial, I'm going to stick with the niche I'm most familiar with, okay? Now, Deepseek AI is a free tool to use. All you need to do is sign up for an account and you'll be taken to this interface. Once you're in, you can go ahead and input your prompt. I'll click enter and let the AI do its thing. As the AI starts generating, it doesn't just give us 10 high-demand topics, it goes even further. It suggests bonus tips, ebook topic ideas, and even explains why these topics will work. And here's what it came up with. It says, 10 highly searched how-to guides in finance that cater to evergreen demand and current trends. First up is how to start investing in the stock market for beginners with a bunch of subtopics to choose from. Another great one, how to create a budget and stick to it. They even mention the 50-30-20 rule, which is super popular. Next, how to build passive income streams, which happens to be the focus of my channel, right? Then there's how to invest in real estate with little money, which for me is definitely a big hit. And lastly, I think I like this, how to protect your finances in a recession, which is something most persons are really interested in right now. All of these are solid, relatable topics that will definitely sell, okay? You can jot these down somewhere safe if you're planning to write in the finance niche. Now, what's really cool is that Deepseek AI also gives you a Why It Works section. It breaks down why each topic is relevant and even tells you who your target audience is. This is super helpful for promoting your ebook later on. The output from Deepseek AI is reliable because it's based on reasoning. It's like when a person thinks before they speak, they're more likely to say something valuable, right? Same thing here. And check out what this AI actually said. I mean, this is a cool one. And it says, first, I need to identify trending topics in finance. Personal finance is always a hot area, so topics like budgeting, investing, and debt management are likely. But I should also consider current trends like cryptocurrency or FIRE, financial independence, retire early, which have been gaining traction. And it went further to say, next, I should check keyword research tools or Google Trends to validate these ideas. Beautiful. Now, we are pretty confident that Deepseek AI is giving us some solid trending topics in finance. So now that we have our hot topic ideas, the next step is to create an outline for the ebook. And here's the cool thing. Deepseek AI even asks if you want help outlining one of these topics. And of course, you are going to say, yes, please help outline this topic. How to use AI tools for personal finance. I chose this topic since AI is a hot topic and many people are looking for ways to incorporate it into their lives. So ensure you use your head when choosing your topic idea, okay? And let's wait for AI to deliver. Boom, there you go. It generates a 7-chapter outline for us, and the last chapter even hints at trends readers should watch out for, like AI in cryptocurrency. This is great because right now AI-powered trade bots are a game changer for profitable trading. Now that we have our ebook topic and outline, it's time to start writing. If you're unsure how to proceed, just scroll to the end of the AI's response, and you'll always find a prompt asking if you'd like to proceed to the next step. Here's my next prompt. Great. Please expand each of the chapters and sections. Then I'll paste in chapter 1. Now repeat this process for all the chapters, or just focus on one chapter at a time. The AI does an excellent job at giving you a well-structured output, which is great because it's always considering the latest trends and updates. It's also important to check the thought section of the output, which explains how the AI came up with its responses. This section helps you understand the reasoning behind the suggestions so you can make informed decisions. Okay? And don't be afraid to tell the AI how you want your ebook to sound, whether it's casual, technical, or whatever style suits you best. You can customize it and the AI will follow suit, okay? I'll go ahead and ask the AI to write the chapters in a more conversational style just to show you how easy it is to customize. And look at that, Deepseek is generating the output, just as expected. The results are usually spot on. But I always recommend going back and reading through the chapters to make sure everything flows the way you want it to. Remember, this is all about having a conversation with the AI. The more you interact with it, the better the results will be, okay? So make sure you're using your head and guiding the process. What really sets Deepseek AI apart from other AI when it comes to writing ebooks is the way it structures them. As you can see from this example, the ebook is broken down into clear sections. There's a key takeaways part, which is super important for summarizing the main points. Then we have a pitfalls to avoid section, kind of like a heads up to help keep your readers from falling into common traps. And of course, there are case studies, which are really useful to reinforce the context and make everything easier to understand. But here's the real game changer. Deepseek uses a unique writing style that gives it an edge over other tools. I'll get into that as we go through the tutorial, okay? And by following this guide, you'll be able to write an entire ebook using AI. Now, once you're done with your writing, I suggest keeping things organized by copying and pasting each chapter or section into Google Docs or Notepad. When you're ready, just open up your Google Docs in Google Chrome and you're good. So here's what I'm going to do next. I'll start by copying the entire ebook outline, beginning with the title, and paste it into Google Docs. Then I'll go through and copy all the chapters one by one and drop them in as well. And just like that, everything's in place and looking good, ready to go. Well, you might not have thought about Google Docs for designing your ebook, but it's actually a great tool for that, okay? Over on the left side, you've got tabs that help you with your formatting, things like File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, and more. For designing and formatting your ebook, you want to start by clicking on Insert to add things like images, tables, drawings, charts, and even emojis. It's important to include visuals like these because they make your ebook look way more professional, okay? It's super easy to find images from sites like Pixabay, Pexels, or even AI image generators. So you can make sure your ebook stays unique since Google Docs doesn't have an inbuilt image library. One feature that really stands out to me is the translation tool. You can translate your ebook into any language you choose, which is perfect if you want to reach a global audience without any language barriers, okay? And the best part? It's totally free. All you have to do is pick your preferred language and bam, your ebook is now in a different language without spending a dime. Now, while Google Docs is efficient for ebook design, right? I think tools that boost your productivity are the way to go. If you want to make your ebook look super professional and save time, I'd recommend using Canva, okay? You can access all its features for free, and while the interface might seem a little overwhelming at first, don't worry, I've got you covered with a simple walkthrough. You can also check out this video popping up right here for a more detailed guide, okay? Once you're logged in, head to the search bar and type in eBook or eBook templates. You'll be greeted with a whole bunch of templates to choose from. Pretty cool, right? This is a great option. It's a 12-page template all about finance. The more the pages, the better, okay? By the way, I'm using a free account here. If you look closely, any template with the crown icon means it's premium. So if you're using the free version, make sure to pick templates that don't have that crown. But honestly, there are plenty of amazing templates to choose from. Anyway, I'm going with this one for now, though any of these would work. Go ahead and click on it to see what the template's interior pages look like. If you want to make it your own, just click the Customize this template button. That'll bring you to Canva's interface, which is super easy to use with its drag and drop system. To start editing and designing, you've got the Elements button right here. You can search for pretty much anything, shapes, images, icons, or other elements. Then there's the Text button, where you can add and adjust any text you need. You can even upload your own files if you have additional materials or assets to support your ebook, okay? So feel free to experiment with all these features to make your ebook stand out. At the top in the middle, you've got your editing tabs. This is where you can tweak things like the text, template color, or font size, basically all the design options. To change the color, just click on the color swatch and Canva will suggest matching colors based on the template's color scheme. All you need to do is click to apply it. Once you're happy with your customizations, just hit the share button and download your ebook as a PDF. Simple as that. When it comes to promoting your ebook, you can't just stop at one. The goal is to turn your store into a hub for your niche. Ideally, you want to have around 5 ebooks or more, okay? I'm not suggesting you write a ton of ebooks all at once. If you followed the strategy I've shared from the start, you should already be able to come up with hot-selling topic ideas using Deepseek AI. These are topic ideas from Deepseek AI. And by the way, feel free to copy those ideas for future ebooks. So let's say you're in the home and garden niche. If you've already created ebooks based on the topics Deepseek AI suggested, you're already on the right track. You see how related but yet different topic ideas, right? Having a variety of ebooks will open up all kinds of opportunities and definitely bring in some good money. Plus, you'll establish yourself as an authority in your niche. And here's the best part. Your audience is going to grow big time. I mean like wildfire. But there's one thing you need to remember, okay? To make this strategy effective, right inside your ebook, you should embed links that will take your readers to your target pages. This way, whenever they click on those links, they'll be directed exactly where you want them to go to take action. I hope you get it. There are several ways to monetize your ebook. It all depends on your goals and the audience you're targeting, okay? Now check out this website, freeebook.net. It's a site where you can promote your ebook for free. If you're looking to promote affiliate products, build an email list, or even start a newsletter, you can even upsell later on. Now, the interesting thing about this platform is you don't need to have an audience to get started, okay? Just publish your ebook and take advantage of the traffic they're already bringing in. Speaking of traffic, check this out. According to SimilarWeb website analytics, this site gets 698,000 visitors every month. That's a lot of potential readers, right? People love free stuff, so they come to the site specifically looking for ebooks in all sorts of categories. And there are so many niches you can tap into, okay? You can publish under fiction, nonfiction, AI, children's book, and all of that. But the idea is, once someone downloads your ebook, you're set. For example, this ebook already has over 70 downloads, so it's working, right? And it's even in the AI niche. Now here's the real kicker. When people click on any link in your ebook, whether it's an affiliate link, your store link, or whatever else, and take the required action, that's how you make money, okay? The possibilities are pretty much endless. And I'd also suggest checking out some paid or freemium ebook sites because publishing on more platforms is a great strategy, okay? Anyways, Issue.com is another good one. If you've got a few dollars to spare for ads, right? You can get your ebook pushed to the top of their search results. Honestly, it's a pretty solid deal if you ask me. And over here it says, Issue turns PDF and other file types into digital flipbooks and shareable content types. Upload a document, watch it transform, blah blah blah. Sell content with digital sales. Promote your work across all channels with social posts, articles, and GIFs. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Well, I've actually tried them out before, and honestly, they're super efficient. But here's the thing. Before jumping into any paid platform, definitely take some time to do your own research. It's always good to make sure it's the right fit for what you're looking to achieve, okay? Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you're feeling ready to start monetizing and promoting your ebook like a pro, right? Well, remember, the key is to have a variety of ebooks and leverage digital selling platforms, okay? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss out on future tips and strategies. And if you have any questions or want to share your ebook journey, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.